What if I told you that you could build $1 million business without employees, without an office, and without even being technical? This is not theory. These businesses already exist. AI has changed one rule forever. You no longer need people to scale, you need systems. Today, I'll show you 5 AI businesses that can realistically reach $1 million with 0 employees if you execute correctly. Why 0 employee businesses are possible. In the past, scale required staff, managers, infrastructure. Today, AI replaces
customer support,
content creation, sales follow-ups, operations. One person plus AI equals a company. Let's get into the models.
AIB Tsunoi Automation Agency.
This is the fastest path. Businesses are drowning in repetitive work. Emails, data entry, lead follow-ups. You build AI workflows using existing tools.
Chatbots,
CRM automation.
AI assistants.
You charge monthly retainers. Just 50 clients paying $1,700 per month equals over $1 million per year. No employees, just systems. AI business 2 faceless content network. Content is leverage.
AI writes scripts. AI generates visuals. AI edits videos.
You build multiple YouTube channels,
Blog,
social pages. Monetization comes from
ads,
affiliates, digital products. One viral channel can outperform a full team. Scale horizontally, not with people. AI business 3 AI sauce. This is where valuations explode. You don't need to build complex software. You solve one narrow problem extremely well. Examples.
AI resume optimization.
AI email writing. AI meeting summaries. You charge subscriptions. 10,000 users paying $10 per month equals $1.2 million per year. Support? Handled by AI. AI business 4 AI lead generation systems. Every business wants leads. You use AI to scrape data, qualify prospects,
Personalized outreach.
You sell results, not tools. Charge per lead or monthly contracts. Businesses don't care how it works. They care that it works. AI Business 5. Digital products powered by AI. This is the most scalable. AI helps you create
Course,
templates,
prompts, toolkits.
you sell once. AI updates and improves.
No fulfillment.
No staff.
Pure leverage.
Why most people fail. They chase tools instead of problems. They wait instead of launching. They overcomplicate everything. AI rewards execution, not intelligence. Final message. You don't need permission. You don't need a team. You need one decision to start. AI is the greatest leverage tool ever created. If you found this valuable, like the video. Subscribe for real AI business strategies. Comment AI if you're serious.